How to change your default downloads folder in Mac. So this could vary from browser to browser, is something I would like to say very much right now, because we have multiple browsers. Even on my computer we have Brave, Safari, and also Chrome that I haven't pinned. So here you can see we have Chrome as well. So let's say, for example, I'm downloading Chrome. I already have Chrome. I'm just making a sample file for you guys, and here you can see by default it is downloading in downloads. But what if I didn't want it to download over there? I could change the location of it. For that, you can go to settings, and in settings you can just type in downloads, and under downloads you'll generally find a default location. So my location is downloads, that is why it's automatically downloading there. I can also select desktop and select, and here you can see it's changed to desktop. So if I go again, try to download, let's see whether it comes to desktop, and here you can see it has actually come to desktop. Similarly, you can go to Safari as well, and in Safari I will again select download Chrome. It's automatically downloading to the downloads folder, which is annoying, and you have to transfer the file all the time. In this case, you have to click on the Safari name and then click on settings. You can also go there by pressing command plus comma. Now that you are in the Safari settings, in general you have to go to file download location, and you can click on other and then set a custom location. So here you can see we have desktop. I'm going to select desktop, and it has now changed to desktop. So even if I download a file now, it's actually going to download to desktop rather than any other location. So here you can see it's downloading. Let's see what it says. So if I go to desktop, you can see that Google Chrome.dmg, which is your installation file, has downloaded to desktop. And even on Chrome, you can do the same thing. If I go to Chrome, then Chrome settings, on the sidebar you can scroll down till you see downloads, click on downloads and change the default setting over here as well. It's pretty straightforward. Again, for this case, let's say documents, and it has changed it to documents. That is how you change the default download position in Mac. Generally, you download stuff from the browser. If not, you have to go from app to app and change that setting. But you can also do that as a system-wide settings. For that, you will have to go to terminal, and it's going to be a bit of a complicated process. If you want to see that, do let me know in the comments as well. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.